welcome once again to Art Attack, the Big Art Show. Now, before we go any further, I'd like to introduce you to 15 good friends of mine. There they are. Come and have a look at this. Have you ever used any of this stuff? It's that clay that hardens by itself, and you can get it from most good toy shops or craft stores. And the great thing is you don't need to put it into an oven to harden it. Just tear a clump of it off and roll it in the palm of your hand into a ball. And just keep rolling it till you get it nice and smooth. You get all the impurities out. And when it's smooth, just hold it about 20 centimetres above a flat surface and let it drop gently. And it just flattens the bottom. Then take a pen or pencil and just tweak a little hole in the centre at the top and just brush in some water there, just into the hole, just to dampen it. And then just take another pinch of your clay and roll that, not much, yes, into a sausage, like that. And then just place it into the hole in the centre, and the water sort of binds it and acts as a glue. And take your pen, and again, tweak another hole in the top to one side of the sausage, and another hole on the other side, not too close together. And then let me just turn it round so I can see what I'm doing. Yes, you've guessed it. Just underneath the sausage or the nose, just scratch in a mouth. And there he is, one of my very best friends. And what type of friend is he? Yeah, he's a pen friend. Just stick my pen in about 3 centimetres and give it a little twiddle to open the hole a bit. Take your pen out and then leave it to dry overnight. And I'll just say it again, you don't need to put it into an oven because it will harden by itself. The next morning, it will have gone rock solid. And then you can paint it. Now, I'm just going to use some poster paint here. You can use acrylic paint. I'll just mix this to a sort of pinky colour. I'm just going to splosh it on here just to show you. I haven't got time to be neat. There it is, just throw it all on. And if you put some poster paint all over it, just cover it, and you leave it to dry. When it's dry, you can give it a coat of this PVA glue. Now, it's just ordinary school glue. It's that white stuff. And when you paint it on, it looks a real mess. It looks all white and creamy. But when it dries, it goes clear and shiny and rock hard. And look at that. There he is, a pen friend who can hold on to your best pen. After all, what are pen friends for? And the great thing about pen friends is you can make as many different types as you like. And why not give them away as presents? In fact, you can make at least 15 pen friends from a £5 block of clay. That's less than 35p for a pen friend. Try it yourself.
Woo! Aren't they nice? Oh, hello, it's the head here. Hey, that self-drying clay is great. I've made a friend too. Who does he remind you of? Arnold Schwarzenegger.